जब आंखें खुली हो तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आंखें बंद हो तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो। हम मर भी जाए तो कोई गम नहीं, मरते वक्त मिट्टी हिंदुस्तान की हो।
Very good morning, parents. Welcome to Swaraj, Angel's Paradise Academy's Independence Day celebrations. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Now the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantial. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These are the famous lines which still echo in our minds, which was given in a speech by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. A very warm welcome to our parents, our Director Mr. Saini Bhosle, to Swaraj, the Independence Day celebration at Angel's Paradise Academy. The celebration is a culmination of hard work and dedication of our teachers and children. So this is day 2 of Swaraj celebrations. A big thank you for the beautiful decoration, both done by our teachers, admin department, staff. At Angel's Paradise Academy, we focus on the holistic development of our students, where each child is encouraged to excel. I would like to give you a snapshot on the school happenings till date and an overview of the upcoming events. It started in April 2024 for the Prep 1, Prep 2 and nursery students, where nursery students also had a settling period with their parents, and in month of June, playgroup students had a settling period with their parents. So playgroup parents, I hope you had a good time when the children were settling down. Then we have our teachers upskilling. Upskilling oneself in any field is the demand of the day. All our teachers undergo extensive training at the beginning of the academic year, which will enhance their skills. Teachers are encouraged to participate in different training programs regularly. We have competitions for Prep 1 and Prep 2 students, where they are encouraged to participate in all the different competitions held throughout the year. As it is rightly said, winning is not important, but participation is. This will encourage children to be confident, speak in front of an audience, and develop a sportsmanship spirit. Nursery children are encouraged to participate in all the activities that are done, so that it will also help in their overall development. We have different activities which are done in the classes to make learning fun and easy to understand. Celebrations, festival celebrations to make children aware about how beautiful traditions are held throughout the year. Bonjour and Guten Morgen. So these are the two French and German words that the children are slowly introduced to from nursery to Prep 1. They will be learning the French language, and in Prep 2 they will be learning the German language. Upcoming events. Angel's Paradise Academy is a plethora of celebrations and events happening throughout the year, where learning means fun. To name a few, we have Grandparents' Day. So the link has already gone for the Grandparents' Day celebration. If any grandparents are interested
of today play a crucial role in realizing the true essence of Swaraj by being informed, responsible and active citizens who work towards the betterment of India. Swaraj or self-rule was not just about ousting the British, it was about building a nation where every citizen could live with dignity, self-respect and independence. स्वराज की समृद्धि है, स्वराज की राह इंसानियत की चाह, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, do or die, जय जवान जय किसान, quit India, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. I'm sure these famous slogans remind all of us present here of our brave national leaders. So let's keep the spirit high of Swaraj and let's welcome our Prep 2 kids, Yuvika Deshmukh and Ruthbeh Girish.
Respected parents, our director Saini ma'am, teachers and dear friends, we stand before you with immense pride and happiness as we celebrate Swaraj, our Independence Day celebration at Indian Paradise Academy. We celebrate the bravery and sacrifice of those who valiantly battled for the independence of our country, India. It serves to pay tribute to the visionaries who had a vision of the free country and the countless heroes who brought that goal to pass. As we join in the festivities of this Independence Day, let us also remember the solemnity of the occasion. Let us honor the sacrifices of our forefathers and recommit ourselves to the ideals that make our nation great. May the flame of freedom continue to burn brightly in our hearts today and always.
Thank you, kids. That was indeed well said. Good morning, parents. This is a day that we celebrate our freedom and independence as a nation. It is a day to remember the sacrifices that has been made to our country that is today. We are living in a time of great change and uncertainty. But one thing that remains constant in our commitment to freedom and democracy. So let's applaud to welcome Prep 1A kids who will dance on Challa Mela Jana. Nirisha Shah, Sachi Singh, Ramika Singh, Ansh, Sharaya Khandelwal, Yug Shah, Shivanya Pandey, Trisha Agarwal, Vanya Anand, Veeda Sharma, Vedant Gaura, Shrihan Chandrate, Sanvi Singh, Anaya Singh. Nirisha Sharma.
that Swaraj is not just a concept from our past. It is a continuous journey. It's about empowering every Indian to participate actively in the nation's growth and development. So let's carry forward the legacy of Swaraj, striving for an India that is self-reliant, inclusive, and truly free in every sense of the word. Last but not the least, let us welcome our Prep 1 kids to show their spirit of Swaraj. Can we have Shrinika Singh, Reva Baheti, Pratham Sahu, Mishka Kandekar, Chitravini Chauhan, Ramika Jain, Amira Kaiser, Arya Sharma, Nikita Singh, Imana Nara, Sonia Kapari, Akhil Sharma, and Ava Mahajan. work together, parents, teachers, and children, to build a brighter future for our children and our country. Your partnership and support are crucial in creating a nurturing environment for our students. Once again, thank you for being with us today and for your continuous support. We look forward for many such moments of collaboration and growth together.